cars. We're at the Summer Nationals, and there's a little bit of everything out here. And you know, our eyes caught some of the cooler cars. I wanted to, in particular, take a look at this 1970 Trans Am Challenger. This was the first car for me that I bought, and it started the whole cycle of Mopars I've had throughout my life. This is a brown one. I probably wouldn't have chose this color brand new, but it's still a pretty rare car. Made about 25, roughly 100 of them, and it is a TA 346 pack, you know, Challenger in this brown color. Which
if I just had your number, I would let you know how.
Hey, here's something that some of you military guys would love. How'd you like to drive this truck around on base? It's got a Cummins diesel in it. Looks like one of the old 12 valves. What they're doing here is they're actually running a dyno, and you can run your truck up here at the fairgrounds. So we'll be able to watch this one here, and people try to blow up their cars.
So there's no inertia, so it just comes off and the wheels just stick, and then it just stops. So it's never going to come flying off.
All right, 256. And there's the mosquito repellent. That was a big.
Like what you saw and you enjoyed the show, please subscribe to my channel. Continue following. Thank you.